We Go to Them, a personal slideshow inspired by the Great Muslim American Road Trip. Atif Farid knew they were serving thousands at the American Muslim Community Clinic, but always wondered how many more they could be serving if only they had a way. With access to healthcare being one of the biggest challenges for vulnerable populations, Atif knew they needed a better approach to reach people. When a local government was trying to sell an older ambulance, AMCC convinced them to donate it instead, and a mobile clinic was born. Now they could go directly to those in need. The clinic, originally founded by a mosque, partners with churches in the area as well to see patients. It specifically reaches out to those without insurance, who often don't have access to medical care, including homeless populations. Though Atif is a pilot by profession and runs the clinic as a volunteer, he brings the same passion and vision as a hospital CEO.
Healthcare is for all humans, regardless who they are. And so what we want to do is we want to say we have talent in our community and we have volunteers in our community, we have resources in our community, and we want to share it regardless of who they are.
This spirit of sharing is contagious among their providers. One volunteer doctor met a patient who needed to go to the hospital but was embarrassed to do so because he didn't even have a pair of shoes. The doctor took off his own shoes and gave them to the patient, giving him the motivation he needed to seek care. Now they've done such a good job of reaching people that other healthcare organizations have decided to partner with them instead of starting their own mobile services. They've expanded to include dental care, mental health, prescription glasses, and food distribution. We don't just want to be a community that preaches, but one that practices. That's why we're serving those in need and asking God to bless us and them. We want our neighbors to see how we practice Islam through services to the community. This short slideshow was inspired by the Great Muslim American Road Trip, a 3-hour series produced by Unity Productions Foundation. In this series, activist and artist Mona Haider and her husband Sebastian Robbins travel historic Route 66, Chicago to LA, learning stories of American Muslim roots along the way. While the subject matter of this slideshow isn't included in the main road trip film, this is part of our educational outreach initiative, sharing amazing stories of Muslims enriching America. Your support makes this work possible.